it's Jacqueline from WTI, and if you enjoy being in the kitchen as much as I do, you'll enjoy these aprons. So here is a close-up of the apron. I love how it's a cute yet simple black and white design, and it's also super easy for you to tie it in the back. And it also has 2 pockets in the front, so it's perfect if you want to hold your phone or if you want to hold any kitchen tool. And here I'm holding a spatula. And another thing that I love about this apron is that it has an adjustable strap, so depending if you want it to fit you looser or tighter, if you're taller or shorter, you just have to adjust the strap, and if you want to make it longer, you pull on it, and if you want to make it smaller, you adjust the fastener to your size. So I really love the simplicity of this apron. It comes in a great basic color and it's great for both girls and guys, and you can have as much fun in the kitchen as you'd like without the fear of getting messy, and that's my point of view.